When the public and the critics of agri-biotechnology, they ask for more and more information, thinking that they're doing good for the public and thinking that they are raising the bar of safety. Now, it's not really good for the public, because when they do this, the companies with deep pocket, they are able to come up with the money and provide all those information and data, although this information does not mean anything in ensuring safety. But what they are actually doing is victimizing the small companies in any countries, really small startup companies, for example, and also more importantly, the public sector, because public sector has got, they do not have that much of money to just spend on regulatory aspects. So this is where it hurts the most, and we are still pushing the innovation and we're pushing the technology to the big companies and not giving opportunity for public sector and small companies. We must look at what are the problems faced by farmers, and scientists and government should work in this, and investment into R&D is very important. People are also looking at bringing down the cost of food and improving infrastructure for farming. And the other problem in especially my region where I come from is the farming communities, the age of farming community. Farmers are the aging community. The youth do not want to go into farming, mainly because it's not something that is it's not an easy job. It requires a lot of labor, and it's not a glamorous job. But if we look at developed countries, for example, in the US, they use drones, they use helicopters and less chemicals because they've got very good type of hybrid crops. So this is what we need in developing countries. So for this, we need to make sure that the policies are right and the investment is right. So this, I would say, this should be the priorities, especially for resource poor countries.